guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have an unboxing. So this is the first kit that I've ever purchased, so I'm super excited to work with a kit. And this kit is from Courtney's new business. It's called Create an InkSpire. So I'm going to open this up and then maybe we can create a card. If this video isn't too long, I will attach it. So here is the box, how it comes. So you get a sheet with all the inventory that's in the box. It comes with a little sweet treat. Fun fact, the creator of Airheads came out with the product in 1985 with only one flavor, red, and let his kids name the candy. Airheads. So there's a little treat. And then, let's see what's inside. Wow. So we get all these goodies to play with. So the Sunray, it's a Nuvo shimmer powder. So it's this light yellow. I love shimmer powders, they're really, really pretty. There's a masking fluid by Nuvo. So this will come in handy with masking out my images. So this is her new stamp set, and Courtney did the stamp set herself, and it's so pretty. It's wildflowers. It's made in the USA. You could share your projects and use the hashtag Create and InkSpire. And then it does come with your sentiments. So we've got missing you today, friends bring color to your world, you are loved, hello friend, my friend, and thankful for you. There's some twine and some Trinity embellishments. These are really, really pretty. I love Trinity's embellishments, and these are flat back, so you can add them to your card real easily. And there is two stencils. So we've got some wildflower stencils and some clouds and some grass. So that will come in handy. Oh, and there's some cardstock as well. So this looks like it might be some watercolor cardstock. It's got some really pretty texture on there. So if you take a look at the inventory sheet here, so it tells you what kind of cardstock. 2 pieces of 110 bright white smooth cardstock by Mohawk, 1 piece of Nina Desert Storm cardstock, 1 piece of Ivory Sheen pearlescent cardstock by Tonic Studio, and 2 A2 size pieces of Craft Perfect watercolor cardstock by Tonic Studios. So that's what that is. And then you get your large cardstock, your full sheets here. So this one's pearlescent. You can see that shimmer. And then you get your craft. And then, ooh, these are really nice and smooth. So I think these are great for Copic coloring. So what kind of cardstock is that one? So that's the bright white smooth cardstock by Mohawk, and I have not tried this, but I really, really like this texture. It's very smooth, and it looks like your Copics will glide on that really nicely. So I'm excited to try that. I will have the link down below to this kit if you're interested in purchasing it. Also Courtney Kruger's YouTube channel, so you can get some inspiration on this kit. And I think I'll do a separate video on making a card. Yeah, because that's going to be just too long, and I want to do a voiceover and all that. So fun stuff. So thanks for stopping by, guys. I really do appreciate it, and I'll catch you real soon in the next video. Bye, guys.